In this tutorial, we will cover aligning standards to a test key. DataLink Connect provides the ability to align state and Common Core standards to questions on your test. The latest state and Common Core standards can be downloaded for use in the DataLink Connect program. For step-by-step instructions on how to download these standards, please view our online tutorial on downloading standards. After scanning a key or loading a key from the saved key file, you can access the Standards window from the main menu. Go to Sessions and scroll down to Standards. A new Standards window will open. Select the standards you would like to use for this test by clicking the down arrow for the Standards dropdown and selecting it. If the standards you want to use are not already on your list, you can download it by selecting Download More. Select the grade and subject of the standards you want to view. As you narrow down the standards you want to have included, the top-level text will be shown in this area here. Clicking on it will expand the standard to show additional levels belonging to this standard. Once you have determined what group you'd like to assign to your test key, click on that title to highlight the row. You can then click the button Add as Group to add the group to the key. The information will then show in the group box here. The information listed under the group as the standard will also be transferred to the standards box here. The other option is to drag and drop the groups and standards. To do this, click on the title and drag it up to the group box like this. You will see that all the standards that were listed below that group were added to the standards box here. The line that is listed in bold here will be included in the group. All of the supporting text below in this area will be transferred into the standards area. To add an item as a standard, simply click on the text, then click the Add a Standard button to transfer it to the standards box, or click and drag the standards up to the standards box. Both methods will work to add groups and standards to the test key. Once you have all the groups and standards selected, you are ready to begin aligning the test questions to the standards. Select the standard you want to assign questions to, and then click the Assign button. A window will open allowing you to select which question or questions you would like to align with that standard. Check the box next to the question number to align the question to the standard. The text and title of the standard appear here. Repeat selecting standards and aligning questions until the process is complete. To review the alignment of test questions to standards, click the Review Alignment button in the Standards window here. A new box will open which allows you to view the question alignment in two different ways. The first is by standards. When the Standards tab is selected, alignment is shown in the Standards mode. The questions that have been assigned to each standard are shown next to the standard. When the Questions tab is selected, the alignment is shown in a question-centric mode. For each question, the title of the aligned standard is shown. Any unassigned questions are shown here in both the standards and question views. Once you have completed reviewing the alignment, click OK to close the window. One of the benefits of using groups and standards is that it allows you to set a proficiency level. You can move the proficiency level up or down based on what your school or district has outlined as being proficient. The proficiency level will default at 80%. This information will be available on the reports after you scan your answer sheets. Once the standards have been assigned and the proficiency level set, you will need to save the key to ensure the changes are saved. When you are done aligning questions, click the OK button here. From the menu bar, select File and scroll down to Save Key. You can then save your key with the newly assigned standards. In doing this, the electronic key is now saved with the assigned standards and proficiency level. If you have any additional questions about using standards with DataLink Connect, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.